everybody, I'm Sohani Shah and I am with the incredibly talented cast of Kan Khajura.
Wow, great. Hi. And we've seen what you do and we're very curious to know what you're going to do with us.
I'm going to try and get into your minds. Roshan, I'm going to start with you.
Okay.
I'm going to take you on an imaginary trip. Let's say we are somewhere else, anywhere in the world. Where are you?
I'm walking down one of the streets in Goa.
Mohit, you see the time. What time is it? Randomly, you can say any time. It can be morning, afternoon, evening, night, early morning, midnight, whatever.
4:36 a.m.
Very particular.
Is that like when you wake up?
4:36. Now let's pass this imagination to you. You see a billboard. Sarah, what's written on this billboard?
Do I have to tell you what it says?
Yes.
It says, do what you love.
So do what you love. Trinetra. And then you suddenly get into this entire thought process of what are you doing in your life? Am I doing what I love? And you're questioning your life choices. And suddenly the phone rings.
Okay.
And it's a message.
Okay.
What is the message that you're reading?
It says you already know the truth.
Huh? You already know the truth. Wow, we have made a very interesting story, I guess. Walking on the street of Goa, and it is 4:36 a.m. And then you see the billboard which says, do what you love. And then you receive a message which says, you already know the truth. Is it any way possible I could have known any of this?
No.
How?
No, I don't think so.
Oh my god, you're gonna do something really freaky. Huh?
I'm not doing anything freaky. I'm just showing you the pins I'm wearing.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's freaky.
It says, do what you love.
You're kidding. That is crazy.
But I'm also wearing a very interesting watch, which is actually,
Get out.
It's 4:36 a.m. Wow.
What?
it's a paper watch. Take it.
This is, guys, how?
did we not see
How did we not see
that?
There's got to be some logic to this.
What
This is
about the
not possible.
message?
Yeah, what about the
Yeah,
message?
what's up with the message?
Listen, oh my god. Wait, what do the other stickers say though?
Though they're normal stickers.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
I'm
now.
also
I don't
scared.
know- I
I'm
don't know
just like,
she's
what
going
is
to
this?
do.
And like someone's gonna
You
pop out
are
or something.
standing on a rug.
What?
Let's
Yeah.
move and let's remove the rug.
Okay.
Trinetra, you could have said anything in this world, but you said you already know the truth.
Okay, this is freaky because we've been sitting here the whole time.
We have been. That's what I'm saying.
Are you serious?
Mohit,
What
Wow.
the hell? That
But
was,
Amazing.
this is,
Plenty cool, Savani. Good job.
that was very cool. This is insane.
This is really insane. I mean, this rug has been here since I came.
Yeah.
This is really weird.
I'm done in life. Let's go.
you
Yeah.
chose to say this.
Yeah, exactly.
Really, very.
Guys, Kan Khajura streaming from 30th May. Go watch.
Tell me, she made us say what she wanted us to say.
I think so.
There was
Guys,
no.
I'm right here, guys.
So there was no point watching
I'm
her.
right here.
So there was no point watching her videos for 3 hours.
No.
There was no point.